Welcome. In this module, we'll take a look at case study for security hardening for the Internet Explorer browser, which is quite a common browser. And this is for CIS benchmarks, case study, MS Internet Explorer version 11. Now, this is the screenshot of the PDF document first page. This is what it looks like. We have this document from January 12th, 2014, and this is 178 pages PDF document. Again, Microsoft products have quite a vast number of pages in their security benchmark documents. So rule number 1.5 says, configure, do not allow users to enable or disable add-ons. It's not scored, and this is a level 1 profile applicability. Now in CIS that we're looking at right now, level 1 is the lower severity and level 2 is the higher severity. So this one, this particular benchmark is telling us that this is a lower severity rule or control. Now, let's look at the description. This policy setting allows you to manage whether users have the ability to allow or deny add-ons through Add-on Manager. And the description continues, if you enable this policy setting, users cannot enable or disable add-ons through the Add-on Manager. The only exception occurs if an add-on has been specifically entered into the add-on list policy setting in such a way as to allow users to continue to manage the add-on. In this case, the user can still manage the add-on through the Add-on Manager. If you disable or do not configure this policy setting, the appropriate controls in the Add-on Manager will be available to the user. Configure this setting in a manner that is consistent with security and operational requirements of your organization. So the Add-on Manager, what happens is that sometimes when you're browsing, the website will add on certain features to the browser without taking specific permission from the user, and it becomes a real menace to remove that. And sometimes it's very difficult to remove them as well. So the rationale given here is users often choose to install add-ons that are not permitted by an organization's security policy. Such add-ons can pose a significant security and privacy risk to your network. Under audit, navigate to the UI path articulated in the remediation section and confirm it is set as prescribed. This group policy setting is backed by the following registry location, and we have a registry location here. And under remediation, it's telling us to establish the recommended configuration by a group policy. Set the following user interface path to not configured. And it's giving us the path here, which you can set. And the impact, this is important. When the do not allow users to enable or disable add-on setting is enabled, users will not be able to enable or disable their own Internet Explorer add-ons. If your organization uses add-ons, this configuration may affect their ability to work. So it is a security setting, and we're restricting users from adding these add-ons, or even for them to be automatically added, like I explained. Sometimes what happens is when you load a program, it goes to the browser and adds the add-on without even taking permission from the user. So based on the security policy that you have in your organization, you should enable or disable the add-ons. And a good rule of thumb is that you should disable the add-ons and actually follow this benchmark. So the default value is disabled. And that's all we have for this module. Thank you.